Communist Party of India National Secretary D. Raja accuses BJP-led central and state governments of causing Manipur violence with its divisive politics. And Assam police arrest 3 miscreants from Kangpokpi and 1 from Churachandpur with 1 kg 50 grams of heroin in Assam's Kasar. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. I'm BABINA. Bring our top stories and latest news at this hour. Communist Party of India accuses BJP-led centre and state governments of causing Manipur violence with its divisive politics. CPI National Secretary and former member of Rajya Sabha D. Raja underlined the need to hold talks to bring an amicable solutions to the prevailing issue in the state. Addressing the media today at the conference hall of Nirmala Hotel in Imphal, D. Raja said there is still no sign of initiating any steps by the government to bring a political solution to the issue. He said the present government is not serious about restoring peace and normalcy in the state, and Chief Minister N. Biren is incapable and he has no moral right to continue holding his post. He maintained that there is no issue in Prime Minister Narendra Modi visiting abroad, but he should also visit strife-torn Manipur. D. Raja assured the people of Manipur that CPI has been striving to resolve Manipur crisis along with like-minded political parties. On behalf of CPI, D. Raja congratulated all the scientists and engineers who contributed for the success of Chandrayaan-3 mission. He lauded that 2 from Manipur are part of the Chandrayaan-3 team. Raja alleged that laurels brought for India by sportsperson from Manipur are being used by BJP in election campaigns, and that the double engine government of BJP is not concerned about the people in Manipur.
The present state government is not serious about bringing peace and normalcy. The present chief minister has been proved to be incompetent, and we are of the view he has no moral right to continue as chief minister. Prime minister moves everywhere. We have no problem. Let him go to any country. He must visit Manipur also. Manipur is part of India, a very sensitive strategic border state. On 23rd, there was 75th anniversary of the foundation of our party. And our party in Manipur has made its position very clear by taking a pledge. And that pledge, how the CPI looks at the problem, how the party will continue to work for democracy, secularism, socialism and social harmony in the state of Manipur. At a critical time as it is today, State Legislative Assembly does not meet. What does it mean? What is the responsibility of the Chief Minister who continues to be in office as Chief Minister? We are all proud that Chandrayaan was successful. Our party congratulated all scientists, engineers, the workforce for such a successful achievement. Today I came to know 2 Maitis are also there in the part of the team. So Manipur contributes to the achievements of the country as a whole. Manipur plays an important role in projecting, in building the image of the country at the international level, and they think Manipur can be used for election campaign.
Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur apprised CPI leaders that ongoing clash in the state is between unscheduled Meitei tribe and scheduled tribe of Kuki group, and it is not a conflict between tribal and non-tribal, Hindu and Christian, majority and minority as wrongly reported on national media. STDCM members today met with CPI delegations led by the party's CPI General Secretary D. Raja, who is in town. During the meeting at Hotel Nirmala in Imphal, CPI leaders assured STDCM that it will urge Manipur government and union government for restoration of normalcy and peace in the state. Commotion broke out this afternoon along the Saiton Road under Phogakchau Ikai Police Station, Bishnupur district, over army personnel allegedly seizing the guns of state force. The incident occurred at around 1:30 p.m. It is learned that army personnel who are on duty at Saiton Road stopped a vehicle of Manipur Police Commando for checking. Army personnel also verified the weapons carried by police commandos during the process. Meanwhile, as soon as getting information that state police commando were frisked by army, Mairapaibi volunteers arrived at the scene. Bishnupur District Police Commando OC also came at the site to take stock of the situations. Later, the matter was settled through talks between the two sides. Locals of Kwakta, Tira Khongsangbi and Trong Laubi in Bishnupur district continue to live in fear as a large number of Kuki militants have reportedly reached downhill and are currently staying near these villages. They claim that many Kuki militants have been entering Foljang village located behind Kwakta. They also claim that drone footage shows ambulances parked at various locations of Foljang. The villagers express fear and apprehension of being attacked by Kuki militants. It is worth mentioning that Kuki assailants at Foljang village had fired guns and bombs towards Maitai village on earlier account and have put up bunkers at Laitel and Foljang. Villagers informed that central forces did not stop the Kuki militants from building bunkers in the area. The militants also recently attacked Tira Khongsangbi and Trong Laubi. Villagers appealed to government to intervene and replace central forces with state forces in their villages for protections. Locals set ablaze an auto rickshaw bearing registration number MN06H6426 belonging to Maitai Pangal community at Chingmairong, Mamang Laikai today for allegedly transporting goods for Kuki people. Chingmairong Apunba Maira Paibi nabbed the vehicle in front of the ISBT. Driver of the vehicle, MD Sanjit Khan from Urub Awang Laikai, was handed over to Maitai Pangal Council, Manipur. Locals banned opening of MB Enterprises located at Thangal Bazaar from where the goods were purchased for 4 months. Driver Sanjit Khan said a man called Ayang from Litan in Ukhrul district asked him over the phone to get electric rice cookers from the shop and transport it to a vehicle heading for Litan. Sanjit said he knew Ayang for around 3 to 4 years, but since he hails from Ukhrul side, wasn't aware that he belongs to Kuki tribe. The driver claimed that he came to know the identity of Ayang, whose real name is Lunkozang Baite, a Kuki, only today when the locals track his mobile number. He extended apology for his act.
Dagina Ayang Haribani Pasi, I Kangnabasi, Chahi, Ahumari, Mamang the Kangnare, Adobo Ayang Ayangina Dum Kangne. Ngasi dimagi phone number sida chapchani yengubu matamda lokhomang baiti aina kuki oiraga lerame adu ngasi aina kukar ani khak pururi si hairiba ayang sina MB Enterprise ki salesman Sabir Thangan Bazar Sabir hairi sida sumaina kukar ani khak aina haikrabani nang lauraga angta garida winger da hapirau haibadagi ai winger da Hamna Nava MB Dukan Sabir Sidagi Lauraga Wing Kumalampaki Winger Litangis the Hamna Navaina Pujarubani. Lady Masi Hanadi Ayang Ayang Kaguning a Sikatang Lokomang by Tina Kuki or Rambandisi, a Sikatang Chapsana Kangani, Aymakata Masidagi, Amukana Tauzeroi, Mayamda Lale Hainai Singdoksari.
Meanwhile, MPCM President Haji Arafat Ali said the vehicle was burned down with the consent of the driver for his conduct, which hurt the sentiment of the people in the wake of the prevailing crisis. He said MPCM will hand over the driver to his family with a word of advice. He appealed to people of Maitai Pangal community not to do anything which will malign the community in the wake of the prevailing ethnic clash in the state.
Pidigi Majawi Oiraga, Akoi, Masenda Amaga misunderstanding, Bab Tana Dubdagi, Tolakpayab Iran Kaya say, Akoi Maramarta Koi Pangan Kunaidagi Tenajay, Hai, Masi, Tawiganu Habase, Amuko, Amadi MP Semnasu, Atongan, Lupsunasu, Apil Katauri, Loina, Makata, Bada Pangan, Ichinina, Makajina, Nakletana Sumbasi, Hanjin, Tenabataragadi, Masama Sagi Daitani, Havimamang the Su. Koi apunwa mifom da lakthokchare loina masi masa masai da ta pugadabni masi hojipok tek ta kaidna koina henover tawmin akoi makha tabadi maitai council panganna magi mari mata da warak wate maga sinjagani haibo phomjai myam thamjari loina makha dana bangan khunai da bangan da maitai pangan da chen thaga da ba sumba ikai biya ba akoi masen sida santi oiroi da ba yabo phomje tawba taragadi hanjin na mase khoi gi council Maitai Pangal Council Masi Daita Pujaroi.
Dr. T.H. Chandramani clarifies that he has never written book mentioning Aimol tribe as belonging to Kuki Chin group. He refuted recent media report which claim otherwise as unfounded. Briefing media at Manipur International University in Ghari today, Dean of Directorate of Regional Languages and Research, Manipur International University, Professor Chandramani said Aimol is one of indigenous tribes of Manipur and they reside in around 15 villages located in various parts of the state. He maintained that page number 50 of 1989 second editions of Chaitharol Kumbaba, settlement of Aimol tribe in Manipur is traced back to 1678 during the reign of Meitei King Paikhomba and during the reign of King Pamhaiba. Dr. Chandramani said Aimol and Meitei people share many similarities in their lifestyle. He added that the subject on Aimol as one of indigenous tribes of Manipur was also reflected in 11th 5-year plans of India.
Aimol C 2007-8, 2008-9, 2009-10, 2010-11, 2011-12 ta akangaba Aimol development of Aimol language haidana kogi yellow me amani haidana 11 5-year plan da reflect tawkheba leire matamdugi white paper da su reflect tawkhraba aduga Bharat Sarkar na su community sig development tawnana bagi damakta maroina loan da 2007-8 ta 1,91,581, 2008-9 da 1,42,965, 2009-10 da 1,85,120, 2010-11 da 90,200, 2011-12 da 1,54,700 se Aimol yellow me amani haidana expenditure tawkiba lai sigumba saksa thak manaba community sing asida lana lawan ningdana ba white paper to same da yaukhiba language expert amu oina appeal tawjari.
The Aimol Tribe Union Manipur President R.T. Akhil Aimol says Aimol tribe will ever remain as Aimol to keep Manipur's integrity intact. Press release from R.T. Akhil Aimol refutes recent remarks by Saitu village resident as Munthoireng and Loktak Kha Aimol resident T.H. Akup as baseless. Dr. Raghu Ningthozam from Manipur played a significant role as Deputy Director of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO and Project Manager of ISRO's Chandrayaan-3 Moon mission in the successful soft landing of Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft on the lunar South Pole, making India the first country to achieve the feat and the fourth to land on the moon. Dr. Raghu Ningthozam hails from Thanga Oinam Laikai in Bishnupur district. Impact News brings you an exclusive telephonic conversations with the scientist who is currently at ISRO headquarters in Bangalore.
Dr. Maiti Mata Moina, ISRO the scientist Moiduna, Akoi Yam Chauna, Chandrayaan-3, my partner, Tagile Maida, Tawam the Stream Semgre. Sida Chandrayaan-3 milestone in Accepto with the ISRO scientist Moina, Karifa, have to Hamo in a Pongo.
So, mission ID messages on Ranchi missions in a warrior one over record Anium Tami, other mission is a system of the Akogi entire nation student celebrate Tauri, Adoka Yam Sapusing mission and other mission scientists Amoina, the organization, the Sabot of the river Amoinoko, Yam issue Yam Pumin, Yam Hara, Vanuaiva, the gate, Yam Sapopa, Adum, Yam Nuayomiku Amado, I issued them to the ID Ramusu, Akogi and Ranchi, and in the Motam, I issued mission control in the lady. Dr.
Hoyi Chandrayaan-3 success oina with among Dr. Gunasu Karigari Tawang, Logibaga have the Sukara Pungopi.
Chandrayaan-3 Akuyam Saw mission Masida model of whom lay propulsion model Havamane, the lander model Havan, rover model Havan. So project in me and my Ampone Tapatomini in Wani, I issue Masigi Timsida project manager Moina Tawjavani, Hawang Logavani, the lander mission rover. Other than the Sigi, ID Punatodang, Yaminaba, ID Kudon, teamwork, habitat, Masida, ID one system, and lady, the components, lady, a single contribution, I'm the sound of our subsystem designer Moina, the subsystem engineer Moina, project manager Moina contributor.
Dr. Hoyi Chandrayaan-3 who mun the land of Matunda, Mana, the whatever cannot say activities the Kaki or you were doing.
Chandrayaan-3 mission, and only mission objective of me. Mission na going around and Panko Kiva, ship shop landing had a direct spot. Take the guidance, has an about the technology, but the country and the most okay. I didn't mission objective of me. I mean, Shugana, Manipur, Hakogi, Rover, and us, Kanuntarupanda, kilogram, Kumba, Amayauri, I don't know, Thailand, lender companies, the Victoria, Thailand, the Koi, Salaga, Obon, and the scientific experiment. ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯗꯣ ꯔꯣꯕꯔꯗꯣ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯃꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯅꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯃꯛ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯨꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯟꯗꯔ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯔꯣꯕꯔ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯃꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯇꯤꯐꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯔꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯏꯟ ꯁꯤꯇꯨ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯇꯤꯐꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯔꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯔꯣꯕꯔꯗ ꯄꯦꯂꯣꯠ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯄꯦꯂꯣꯠ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯒꯣꯜ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯈꯪꯅꯩ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯀꯝꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟ ꯃꯤꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯀꯝꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯦꯟꯗꯔꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯦꯂꯣꯠ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯃꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ seismic properties adagi electron ion density masu study tawgada
ISRO-ꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ next mission next plan di kari leibage
ISRO-ꯒꯤ mission ni yam lei adubu akoina science mission scientific mission exploration mission aba taragadi ek mathang gi leiding sing sundayan sei mun mission gi matungda mission to sun akogi minki mission aba tare adu minki mission akoina aditya L1 kawi masi na kwaidi ek mathang gi mission ni adugi matungda akogi exposure mission na x-ray polarimetry satellite na amasu lei aduduna akogi university study tawna ba star makai ba akogi sandagi na star tawna ma mission amani aduga mayana su tabi namagani adu kwaidi ya so mission gi gaganya na gi main mission ko akoina beti gi program se le adu mission gi kwaidi singthana yo mission gi haigini
Social Integrity Boys Association Siba Haingang Awang Thongkong declares closure of Ibudho Marzing Polo Statue Complex in Haingang Hill for visitors until further notice. Press release from Siva says the decision was taken after some unidentified miscreants who came in a black color Creta SUV tried to abduct 2 girls and 2 boys who were visiting the tourist spot at gunpoint on August 22. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on arrest of miscreants from Kangpokpi and Churachandpur with drugs by Assam police. Keep watching Impact News.
Manipur gi ahanba dedicated cancer hospital AOI BABINA Speciality Hospital da medical oncology, surgical oncology, advanced operation theater ga loinana cancer patients sing da affordable cost da mapung faraba care pisari. Side effect hantaba Manipur gi ahanba Lineak Halcyon radiation machine gi khudong chaba pangbigani. Cancer khangdoknaba amasung stage lepada sizinaba PET CT scan machine so hospital asida lady. Tumor board phamduna patient singi laying pathapta ahenba khudong chaba loinana health card ki khudong chaba su pisari. Mayam gi damak AOI BABINA Speciality Hospital, Sajiwa, Kabisoi, Imphal East.
Caesar Mega Free Eye OPD Camp from 7 to 31st August 2023, excluding Sundays from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Also, avail 15% discount on diagnostic and procedures. CMCY and CMISD card holders may also avail the facilities. For appointment, please contact Caesar Eye Care Foundation or call 943-623-5274.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. Assam police personnel arrested 4 miscreants from Manipur with 1 kg 50 grams of heroin in Kasar, Assam yesterday. The arrested persons are 30-year-old Haubem Haukip, 39-year-old Henboy Haukip, 36-year-old Mamang Haukip. They are all residents of Kangpokpi and 36-year-old Gogo Paite from Churachandpur. Kasar police team met the seizure at NIT Gunghur NX bypass while checking vehicles which were heading to Kasar. The seized drugs were concealed in 104 swap cases. Langsai Thauna convener Khetri Rajiv stated that they have initiated a campaign along Kakching Longkai to prevent the transportation of food items to Kuki areas in retaliation to Kuki militants' attack on unarmed Meitei civilians. Rajiv made these remarks during a press conference held at Kakching Longkai in the presence of the Chandel Naga People's Organization CNPO. He recounted the incident that occurred on May 28 when Kuki militants attacked Sugnu and Sero areas of Kakching district, which resulted in the loss of innocent unarmed Meitei lives and destructions of their properties. Rajiv also mentioned that in collaboration with the CNPO, they intend to ensure the delivery of food items to Naga inhabited areas in Chandel and Tengnopal districts. Speaking to media, CNPO President R.D. Davis Boyes said people in Naga inhabited areas of Chandel and Tengnopal district are living peacefully. Mutual cooperations and coexistence among the mutual cooperations and coexistence among different communities, highlighting the need for harmony and unity during these challenging times. He appealed to individuals who are monitoring the situation in Kakching Lamkai to ensure the safe and unrestricted passage of Naga people through the area. Kakching DC Somorjit Salam launched Intensified Diarrhea Control Fortnight IDCF 2023 at the relief camp open at Kairak Sanatombi High School today. Kairak United Development Association and District Health Society Kakching jointly launched the program. Kakching CMO Dr. T.H. Rajan, Kairak Wabagai Jila Parisad member M. Jayantakumar, doctors and staff of Kakching District Health Society, ASA workers and inmates of the relief camp took part in the event. SDO Kakching Okram Sandhyarani launched 7 various edible items of Leibaklei food products today on the closing event of 3-day food processing training program. Leibaklei Food Products is the brainchild of inmates of relief camps. District Skill Committee DSC Kakching and Maira Foods at Kalyan Ashram Relief Camp Kakching jointly organized the program. Press note from Quairamban, Imoinu Imakaithel Saktam Kanbalup appeals to people suffering from viral conjunctivitis to refrain from coming to the market until they get better. Pangay Yangdong Apunbalup has extended financial help to 3 persons who had sustained injuries in the Kamen Lok incident. The 3 victims of the incident are Huyam Nauba from Sinam, Laimayum Prem from Kundrakpam Awang Laikai and Taurem Pilot from Waiton Makha Laikai. A release from Umang Laikan Apun Balup condoles the demise of Padmasri Rajkumar Achauba Sana and Yumnamcha Ingba Mangang. Now the sports news. Manipuri judoka Olivia Huidrom bags a bronze medal for India after defeating Laziza Hedarova of Uzbekistan in 44 kg wet category of Croatia World Judo Championships Cadets 2023. International Judo Federation kick off the championships at Arena Zagreb from August 23 and will continue till August 27. A badminton indoor stadium cum multi-purpose hall was inaugurated at Somdal village in Ukhrul district today. Ukhrul DC and chairman of Ukhrul District Community Resource Management Society, Kengu Zuringla, Ukhrul SP Ningsem Vasum, IPS, and Somdal village chairman Apam Simre were among those who graced the event. Ukhrul DC Kengu Juringla said the badminton indoor stadium cum multi-purpose hall worth 4 crore rupees was constructed under the funding of Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, New Delhi, with Ukhrul District Community Resource Management Society as implementing agency. Seven players from Manipur are in the India's women football team participating in the upcoming 19th Hangzhou Asian Games. The games, earlier planned to be held from September 10 to 25 last year, was postponed owing to COVID-19 pandemic. It will now be held from September 23 to October 8 this year at Hangzhou, China. The 22-member team has 3 goalkeepers including Monalisa Moirangtem, 7 defenders including Hemam Silki, Hairang Khongzam Linda Chanu and Sahena T. 6 midfielders including Martina Thokchom and Lisam BABINA, and 6 forward players including Serto Linda Kom from Manipur. Placed in Group B, India will face Chinese Taipei on September 21 and Thailand on September 24. "26 men and women shooters from Manipur are participating in the ongoing 10th Northeast Zonal Shooting Competitions at Shillong, Meghalaya. Shooters from Northeast Zonal are competing in the competitions, which started on August 20 and will continue till August 25. Manipuri shooters P. Kunza Bihari and Usam Christopher secured 5th and 6th rank respectively in the 25-meter men's individual center fire pistol event. In 25-meter men's individual standard pistol, Usam Christopher won 2nd rank, while P. Kunza Bihari bagged 2nd rank in 25-meter master men's individual center fire pistol event. Manipur's Rahul Sharma and Y. Muramba secured 2nd and 4th rank in the 25-meter junior men's individual standard pistol event. Kunisan Tonabam from Manipur also won 2nd rank in 25-meter minimum qualification score standard pistol. Manipur team is led by manager A. Oken, rifle coach K. Assis and pistol coach Usam Christopher. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Communist Party of India National Secretary D. Raja accuses BJP-led central and state governments of causing Manipur violence with its divisive politics. And Assam police arrest 3 miscreants from Kangpokpi and 1 from Churachandpur with 1 kg 50 grams of heroin in Assam's Kasar. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. So have a great evening and stay safe.
Sri Sri Gaurachandraya Namaha, Purvashram de Kwikwai Bukun Biramba, Mapan Suba Legislative Assembly Gimikhalda, Kundrak